Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a GPU in your motherboard. And this is the motherboard. These are the PCI slots. This is the PCI X8 slots. There are two on this motherboard. This is my GPU. I just had one very old GPU of ATI laying around, and so let's build it. So this is the motherboard, and let's build it. So first, take your GPU and just look at the pins. You will see one or two notches in between that separates the GPU on its pins. Yeah. So this is the motherboard, and let's tilt it to show you so that you can get a better look on this. This is the PCI X16 slot. Many normal motherboards have this, but this is the PCI X8, and these are the PCI X8, 16, and this is the one. This is used for little sound cards and little Wi-Fi cards and all, or Bluetooth cards. So let's go and fit it. So basically this is the graphic card, and your IO shield will be on this side where my hand is, and you will have little PCI connectors, the socket holes on this side, which you will remove and then insert the graphic card. So just look at the pins. There's a notch between this first notch. This is the first notch, and the second notch was there where I showed you, and just position it over that with the notch in the slot. And when it's in, just apply a little bit of pressure so that you can hear a click or a tick, and it's in. So this is the installed GPU inside the motherboard, guys. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please do not forget to leave a like before going, and give us a big thumbs up so that we can keep our channel going. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech fun and for more reviews. Thanks for watching.